The cryptocurrency market has reported more than $4-5 billion in transaction in single month in recent times. Hello friends, my name is Seema Gupta and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to invest in cryptocurrency. Is cryptocurrency too expensive for me? The value of one Bitcoin is close to 41 lakhs and the value of one Ether is close to 3 lakh rupees. Looking at these huge values, one might think that investment in cryptocurrency is out of their reach. But the fact is that one can own a very small fraction of Bitcoin or Ether. It means that you can own 0.0001 Bitcoin and Ether, and its value is approximately 410 rupees. In fact, the minimum value of Bitcoin that you can own is 0.00000001, that is up to 8th decimal place. It's a typical example of chota investment bada return. Start SIP for cryptocurrency, systematic investment planning, a popular investment strategy among the youth, where one allots a certain sum of money at the end of every month which gets invested in mutual funds. You can start a similar practice with cryptocurrency as well. This will also teach you how to manage your money well, and with a small amount you can diversify your investment by investing in both the stock and the cryptocurrency market. You can refer my video on how to invest in stock market. Link is given in the description. Now the question is, which platform should I invest in? There are a lot of platforms like Oki, WazirX, CoinX that allow you to invest in cryptocurrency. According to government guidelines, you will have to verify your KYC first on these platforms and then you can trade on these platforms. But first, read reviews of any platform before investing, or you might end up investing in a fraudulent site. Ignore the market swings. The value of one Bitcoin has risen by approximately 500% last year, and the value of one Ether has risen by approximately 2000%. At the same time, there have been days when the cryptocurrencies have lost close to 80% of its value in just one day. So, since these markets aren't bound by government regulation, you must be mentally prepared for these swings. So, don't panic when you see the value dropping. Don't involve in day trading. It is one of the most trending trading patterns nowadays. In this, a person buys cryptocurrency at the start of the day and sells it by the end of the day. However, since cryptocurrency trades are now taxable, it means that it is better to hold on to your investment for a few months, as it will save you a lot of money as tax. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, hit the like button. Ask your questions in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Until then, bye.